Good morning, dear students. Today we are discuss the standard deviation under discrete series with the help of direct method. Clear? So, dear students, standard deviation and discrete series we will find out. So, first of all, we will identify the question is goes to discrete series or indivisible series or continuous series. So, dear students, we can recognize the discrete series when the question is given item or frequency. Clear? When the question is item and frequency is given, then you can see the question goes your discrete series. And after identify the question, then you will apply the formula and you can easily find out the question. Clear? So dear students, today we will find standard deviation under discrete series with the help of direct method. Clear? The formula of standard deviation under root summation f dx square divided by n, and coefficient of standard deviation is equal to standard deviation divided by mean. So under this question, first of all, we will take the all deviation with the help of mean. So first of all, we will find out mean. After that, we will take the deviation with the help of mean, and after that we will multiply the deviation with frequency, and after that we will square the dx and multiply with frequency, and the summation of these divided by sum of frequency and find out the root, the answer will come. Clear? See beta. Discrete series. A series given is item or frequency is called discrete series. We will find out standard deviation under discrete series. So with the help of three methods: direct method, shortcut or step deviation method. So guys, today we discuss direct method. So the formula of direct method standard deviation is equal to under root summation f dx square divided by n. Dear student, that's your question is given 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and that's your frequency. Dear students, find out standard deviation. Find out standard deviation with the direct method. So first of all, we will find out mean. X bar is equal to, with the help of direct method, we will take the deviation with the help of actual mean. So the formula of x bar is equal to, in discrete series, summation fx divided by n. So first of all, we will add the all frequency. It will be called n. 549, 9716, 420 or 525. That's your n is equal to 25. After that, we will find fx. F multiply in x. 10 4 ja 40. 12 5 ja 60. 14 7 ja 98. 16 5 ja 80. और 18 4 ja 72. After that we will add fx. 8 or 2 10, 0, carry 1, 5, 6, 11, 9, 20, 28, 7, 36. Clear? 36. 8 to 10, 0, 1, 10, 20, 28, 35. 350. After that, we will apply the formula x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. So x bar is equal to 350 divided by n 25. So x bar is equal to 14. After that we will take deviation dx. The formula x minus x bar. X 10 minus 14 is equal to minus 4. 12 minus 14 is equal to minus 2. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. 16 minus 14 is equal to plus 2. 18 minus 14 is equal to plus 4. That's a dx. After that we will find dx square. Four four is 16. 2 2 is 4. 0. 2 2 is 4. Or 4 4 16. After that dx square multiply with frequency. That's your f dx square. 16 4 is 64. 5 4 is 20. 0 7 is 0. Next one 5 4 is 20. And next one 16 4 is 64. That's your summation f dx square. 448 628 210 or 6 16 168. 448 628 210 616. That's your summation f dx square. After that we will apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to under root summation f dx square divided by n. So standard deviation is equal to under root 168 divided by n 25. So standard deviation is equal to under root 6.72. So standard deviation is equal to 2.59. That's answer. Coefficient of standard deviation. The formula standard deviation divided by mean. That means 2.59 divided by mean 14. So it will be equal to 0.185. That's your coefficient. Coefficient of standard deviation. Clear? See once again. That's your item or frequency given. First of all, we add all the frequency. That's your n25. After that, find fx. Frequency multiply with item. 10 4 is 40, 12 5 is 60, 14 7 is 98, 16 5 is 80, 18 4 is 72. After that, or add fx. That's your 350. And after that, apply the formula of mean. X bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. So summation fx 350 divided by n 25. So mean is 14. After that, take deviation dx x minus x bar. X, that's your 10. 10 minus 14 minus 4, 12 minus 14 minus 2, 14 minus 14 0, 16 minus 14 plus 2, 18 minus 14 plus 4. After that, find out dx square. 4 4 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 0, 2 2 is 4, 4 4 16. Dx square. After that, apply mid frequency. 16 4 is 64, 5 4 जा 20, 7 0 0, 5 4 जा 20, 16 4 जा 64. Add the FDX square, that's your summation FDX square. 4 4 8, 6 2 8 2 10 6 16. After that we will apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to under root summation FDX square divided by n. That's FDX square 168 divided by n 25. Both divided will be equal to 6.72. Find the root will be equal to 2.59. That's answer. After that we will find out coefficient of standard deviation. So the formula standard deviation divided by mean. So standard deviation 2.59 and mean 14. Both divided will be equal to 0.185. Clear? That's your answer. So dear students, that's your standard deviation under discrete series with the help of direct method. Clear beta? I will send some questions to you and you will solve out all the questions on your fair copy, and if you have any problem then you can call me. That's your question number 1, item and frequency. Question number 2, item and frequency. Question number 3, item and frequency. Question number 4, item or frequency. Question number 5, item frequency. Question number 6, item frequency. Question number 7, item or frequency. Question number 8, item or frequency. Question number 9, item or frequency. All the question given is item or frequency. The whole question goes to discrete series, and in this series you will find out the standard deviation with the help of direct method. Clear beta? You will solve out all the questions on your fair copy, and if you have any doubt then you can call me. Thank you very much beta.